Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. In this video, let us learn how to install same WhatsApp in two mobile devices. So first of all, this is the source mobile phone in which WhatsApp is already there. Just open the WhatsApp and click on the three dots at the top right side corner and click on link devices and click on link a device. Now it will ask for a QR code to be scanned. So place this mobile as it is. Now take the second mobile phone. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove the SIM card in the second mobile phone. So I am removing the second SIM card from the second mobile phone. If you don't remove the SIM card in the second mobile phone, the WhatsApp cannot be installed as a duplicate. So I have removed the SIM card in the second mobile phone. So if you already have WhatsApp installed in the second mobile phone, you need to uninstall it first of all. Now you need to install WhatsApp in the second mobile phone after removing the SIM card. So just I am clicking on Play Store, searching for WhatsApp. So installing the WhatsApp now. You need to make sure that the WhatsApp is installed without the SIM card. If SIM card is already there, then you could not have the same WhatsApp in more than one mobile phone. So it is being installed. Okay, you can see here WhatsApp has been installed successfully. Just open the WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. Whenever it is asking for mobile number, don't give the mobile number. That is very important. Don't give the mobile number and click on the three dots at the top right side corner and click on link as companion device. Link as companion device. That is very important. Whenever you click on link as companion device, it is going to show the QR code. Now pick up the first mobile phone in which WhatsApp is already installed and navigate to this particular QR code. That's it. Now we have successfully installed the companion device for the WhatsApp. You can see here both the WhatsApp are going to show the same WhatsApps, and we can use both the WhatsApps in both the mobile phones. Now as usual, you can insert this particular SIM card and use this particular SIM card also in this mobile phone. So there will not be any issue if you insert the SIM card now and use. So as usual, you can use the same WhatsApp in both the devices. Hope you understand the logic. If you have any further doubts, you can make a comment.